One thing too that I'm trying to like keep with me as I return to internet, like formatted sharing, is like, one, I can be an asshole, and I've been many times in my life. But I also make mistakes just like anyone else, and I really want to keep that. I really want to remember that. At some point, I'll face a difficulty where I say something that I regret, and not like somebody out there will potentially persecute me for it. And if and when that happens, I should just say when, I need to remember that we all make mistakes. That when people speak, they're not giving the complete and utter distilled summary of their character in one sentence. Which I feel like people who just like to fight kind of behave as if that is the case.